Helicopter? Nice.
Breathing.
Yeah! Ringtone? The for Elise? Grand piano? Wait, let me see. Oh, that's easy.
I'm barking.
Yeah. Steam? Microwave? Air vent? The drain and the sink drain? Air vent? Am I close? Ceiling fan? Air conditioner!
Air conditioner. Slurp. Writing. Brushing your teeth. Getting soda.
How do I do this? I can't do it.
Oh, lighting a match.
Can you do it?
Something like that. It would be the striking, lighting it, and then the sound of the like. That one's pretty hard. Yeah. Popping balloons. Popcorn. Opening a bottle. Opening a soda bottle. Drinking soda. Pouring a drink into a glass.
Woohoo! Yay!
New Year's. Champagne. Popping champagne.
Yes! Close!
Popping bottles.
Opening champagne! What would you have done?
I don't know.
That sound game is a fun game where you make noises, but you can't use your hands, and you try to help your team guess the answer of the category. We just got this game tonight, so we wanted to test run it to try it out, and I can't wait to play this with friends.